This is bad.
I know.
And they're going to shut down the daycare center that Michaela goes to.
Right.
Now Lisa's going to have to take Michaela to work. How long is that going to last before they fire her? Please.
Right.
You see, that's Republican politics, Jake. I still cannot believe you voted for him. I can't believe that. Jake, are you listening?
I'm listening. I'm listening.
How can you justify voting for a man like that? I don't understand.
What?
Were you not listening to me?
I'm listening. I got distracted by that lady's hat. Look, check it out. It's crazy, right?
What did I say, Jake?
You're talking about the mayor. I heard every word you said. I just, I didn't hear everything.
Is it that you don't respect my opinions?
It's not like you're teaming with revolutionary ideas. I'm joking.
All right.
I'm just playing. That was a joke, Belinda. I'm just joking. Where are you going?
Jake, we don't listen to each other. We're not with each
Belinda.
other.
Huh? I'm listening to everything you said. I heard the mayor. I'm listening. I'm with you. Belinda. Where are you going? Where are you... Miss, are those flowers real? They are?
I think the Democrats are ruining this country. They don't really care about the poor. They don't care about the elderly. They certainly don't care about the mentally ill. They've had plenty of chance, and things just keep getting worse. Don't you think so?
I think that the Republicans are much worse than the Democrats. I think that the Democrats are a lot more sympathetic than the Republicans. The Republicans, they don't really care. They don't listen to what the people want. They don't care, and that's why things keep getting worse.
Things are worse than ever.
I don't know what's going on. We're just not, my boyfriend and I, we're not connecting, you gotta be with each other at some kind of basic level, and I don't think that we are. I don't think that he doesn't love me as much as I love him.
Oh, things are worse than ever.
I do want it to work. I do. Fuck. Damn. Are you married? This is my stop. It was nice talking to you. Thanks for listening.
I'm really sorry about my socks today. They're down. They're ruining the country. They've had many chances and they do nothing. I mean, they don't care about poor people. They don't care about homeless people.
What are you talking to that man about? I got you something. I had to buy the whole hat. I love you.
I must have ridden the Cyclone 19 times waiting for my girlfriend to show up. She never did. But none of those rides comes close to the ride I took after I left Coney Island. It started when I found out why Jean never showed up. Her boyfriend and some of his buddies explained it to me. Ex-girlfriend, split lip, I figured the ride was over. Boy, was I wrong.
Hello. You okay?
I guess.
Does it hurt?
Nah.
You sure, kid? Pretty bloody. Sorry. Never nurse a man you don't know. I read that in Dear Abby yesterday. I actually did. I read it in Dear Abby. I'm Layla.
Layla. I'm Wayne.
Hey. Okay. I'm sorry. Here, put these on. Cover your bruises. Where are you going?
Penn Station.
Yeah? You have to connect to J Street.
That's right.
Look, Wayne, knowing how to connect down here is the whole deal. For instance, you should be on the first call.
Really?
Come on. So you what? You wrote her?
She wrote me, actually. Wrote I should meet her today. My brothers were coming in for the Yankee game. My mom doesn't want me seeing her, so I told her I was going with them. Guess she didn't want to see me either. Looked all over for her. No Jane. Bad luck.
Maybe. You know what I like about the subway? It's underground. It's like there's a whole different world down here. You have to descend to get into it. You know what I mean? And I come down here, and I almost always meet somebody I can connect with. And sometimes I meet an angel. Wayne, you know what your face looks like? face of an angel.
And you say I'm your special treat. Why? Because you love. I know you love me, girl. And we found the perfect love, girl. A love so hard to find.